Hey guys, welcome back to a new video of Dr. Medicine. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the ivermectin medication, and we will also learn why ivermectin is being used in the treatment of COVID-19. Hope you guys will like this video. Please do click the like button, share to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Without wasting much time, let's go into the video now. So what is ivermectin? Ivermectin is a medication used to treat many types of parasite infestation. In humans, this includes head lice, scabies, river blindness, strongyloidiasis, ascariasis, and lymphatic filariasis. In veterinary medicine, it is used to prevent and treat heartworm and acariasis, among other indications. It can be taken by mouth or applied to the skin for external infestation. So, how do ivermectin work? Ivermectin and its related drugs act by interfering with nerve and muscle function of helminths and insect. The drug binds to glutamate-gated chloride channels that are common to invertebrate. Ivermectin binding pushes these channels open, increasing the flow of chloride ions and hyperpolarizing the cell membranes. The hyperpolarization paralyzes the affected tissue, eventually killing the invertebrate. The uses of ivermectin. This medication is used to treat certain parasitic roundworm infections. Curing parasitic infections help to improve your quality of life. In persons with weakened defense immune system, curing roundworm infections can reduce the risk of developing a severe or life-threatening infection. Ivermectin belongs to a class of drug known as antihelminthics. It works by paralyzing and killing the parasites. Ivermectin is a Food and Drug Administration approved anti-parasitic drug that is used to treat several neglected tropical diseases including helminthiasis and scabies. It is also being evaluated for its potential to reduce the rate of malaria transmission by killing mosquitoes that feed on treated humans and livestock. For these indications, ivermectin has been widely used and is generally well tolerated. Ivermectin is not approved by the FDA for the treatment of any viral infections. Proposed mechanism of action for use in patients with COVID-19. Reports from in vitro studies suggest that ivermectin acts by inhibiting the host important alpha or beta 1 nuclear transport protein, which are part of a key intracellular transport process that virus hijack to enhance infection by suppressing the host antiviral response. In addition, ivermectin docking may interfere with the attachment of the severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 (SARS-CoV-2) spike protein to the human cell membrane. Ivermectin is thought to be a host-directed agent, which may be the basis for its broad-spectrum activity in vitro against the virus that caused dengue, Zika, HIV, and yellow fever. Despite this in vitro activity, no clinical trials have reported a clinical benefit for ivermectin in patients with these viruses. Some studies of ivermectin have also reported potential anti-inflammatory properties, which have been postulated to be beneficial in people with COVID-19. There are insufficient data for the COVID-19 treatment guidelines panel to recommend either for or against the use of ivermectin for the treatment of COVID-19. Results from adequately powered, well-designed and well-conducted clinical trials are needed to provide more specific evidence-based guidelines on the role of ivermectin in the treatment of COVID-19. The possible side effects of ivermectin. Headache, dizziness, muscle pain, nausea or diarrhea may occur. If you are being treated for river blindness, you may experience reaction to the dying parasite during the first 4 days of treatment, including joint pain, swollen lymph node, eye swelling, weakness, vision changes, itching, rash and fever. How to use ivermectin? Take this medication by mouth with a full glass of water on an empty stomach at least 1 hour before a meal. Ivermectin is usually taken as a single dose or series of doses or as directed by your physician or pharmacist. Dosage is based on your weight, medical condition and response to treatment. So that's it for today's video. Please do like, share and subscribe to Dr. Medicine. Thank you for watching. See you next video.